Uh, Good morning. 17th of April, Friday. What's Gucci, my Gucci? Let's take a look at market. So today journaling will be on Tao, Bitcoin, and whatever we'll see. One more thing. I don't know, Ethereum or anything. Let's take a quick peek at indices. They're doing fine. Gold. All right. So Bitcoin. So from my yesterday's daily plan, I was looking for an entry around here, which we didn't get yet quite yet. And instead we just swept the low here. I closed my short position. I failed to take profit here, and even getting long here, I failed to do so. And I closed my short around here when price was pumping. Still, winning trade, but not the best execution. So, and I ended up flipping long. And the idea for long was that we swept the low here, right? We had a massive bullish absorption on the order flow. We pumped nicely, got rejected here, and I thought at the moment that we might roll over. But then I saw that we were holding daily naked point of control, weekly VWAP, and weekly naked point of control. So I was like, why not? And I flipped long along that. Market moved nicely, cleared the stops above the high here, right? And now it's pulling back. We are essentially in a, you guessed it, in a fucking range, right? The value area high kept the upside. Right now we're at the POC, at the mercy of POC. So I remain in my long here on Bitcoin. Nothing much has changed on high time frames. Weekly is looking good. Okay, I want to check something. There is a decent chance over the next week, if we close somewhere here like this, there is a decent chance that we test this region. Why? Well, because this is H12 breaker, the area I was looking for to get long, and weekly horizontal level of support. So this is a good area. Let me take a look at Tao. No, I'll finish Bitcoin and then I'll look at Tao. So, what do we see now? We are essentially kept between, not kept in terms of keeping something, but capped in terms of limited potential, right? So we are capped between weekly value, right? It can be rotational. I don't see any meaningful trades today based on what I'm seeing now, but I guess I'd argue that, I don't even know, but I'd argue that this is a good zone to get long, and this is a good zone to get short. In the meantime, I'm not sure. Like we can get here SFP, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be trading this. I need to see the price development here. There, we can do the fake out reclaim. I might get long again here. But in terms of trading predefined levels, I'm not really seeing anything that stands out for me. We're just sideways. Let's see the order flow. Oh man, coffee hits so good in the morning. It's just the best thing. And now, also, Open my, you guessed it, pack of cigarettes. Okay, well, that's IQOS, but it's still fine. Okay. No new daily point of controls. We do have potentially a value built up here for the last 3 days, so we'll check that. Let me actually. So 1, 2, 3 starts from 14th, right? 14th. Boom. This is the value we've built. Okay. I want to keep an eye on it for now. See how price is essentially bouncing inside this, getting rejected for the breakdown, getting rejected for the breakout as well. So yeah. Now the order flow. There we have a massive bullish absorption. And why? You may ask, because look, there was insane shorting going on here, alright? Right in this candle. And instead of making a lower breaking market structure, we just SFP'd the low while CVD literally broke the structure here, alright? So, even from this low, man, like we can make higher low here as price trade towards this. CVD coming down here. And on the reclaim, another send, alright? I think the flow is looking good. The bulls are absorbing this bearish momentum here, the sideways, alright? Would you look at that? 10 fucking million shorts added here. What the fuck? Ah, yeah, those 10 million of shorts got stopped out right here. Some buying power here, shorts added, shorts, more shorts. A lot of shorting going on in this range, guys, and you can see how CVD is making lower low. No, it's not confirmed yet, but I assume today will be. It's making lower low while price is keeping higher high. So I think we have a chance to come down a little and then push up again. Because of this flow, I want to remain long. Alright? Because of the flow. Other than that, so we're rotational between developing weekly. We reclaimed the previous month and developing monthly value. Yearly VWAP is capping the upside. Alright. So for my long-term high time frame bias idea, if I see a fake out, a rejection above the yearly VWAP, come down close below the yearly VWAP again, I'm gonna be short, targeting literally the lows here. Why? Because this is the value low of the VWAP here. Alright? That's what I'd be doing. So this is very crucial zone for me. I'll put this in red. Okay, no, we don't need it. Put this in like this. And we also have untapped quarterly VWAP here, previous quarter VWAP. So it's gonna be an interesting development. We do also have an MSB here. Alright. That's market structure shift, market structure break, boom to the upside. This is the last opposing candle that led to market structure break. So anything in here is a long. God damn, we even have a fucking SFP into golden zone. This might be a long, in my opinion, here. I can take this trade. But I'm not sure if I want to take this trade. Because I want to see divergence yet. Divergence before I take the long here. And that'd be compound also. If I go with a stop like this, might be too much. I can do this. But I don't want to put my stop here. Remember what I said? Where's the long position here? My entry might got tested. Oh my fuck, man. Do I fucking take a long position here or no? I don't see divergence yet. That's the point. That's the whole point. If I had yeah, well, fuck you, Bitcoin. Alright, if I miss this move, I miss it. Yeah, no. If I miss this move, I miss it. It's fine. I'm still long from here, so I'll keep this position open. But it does seem like the Bitcoin is likely to head towards the upside now. Well, market structure break, right? MSB. The opposing candle before the market structure break got retested SFP into the golden zone as well from the swing low to swing high. There you go. That's a long entry here. But I'm not longing this because I already have a long here. And if I long this, right, my invalidation is my entry in previous long, so I don't like it. And if I put here my stop, right, right here, the price can come down still a little bit. CVD makes lower low. We have insane very bullish absorption again, and then off the races. And that is the reason why I don't want to place my stop here. I will compound the long. I will compound the long only if I see some fake out here, alright? Failed auction here with bullish absorption. If I see that, then for sure, alright. Okay? But I'm not seeing that yet, so I'll hold off. Tau. So, I tried two longs on Tau. One was, where was it? Yeah, one was here, I think. I longed here, got stopped out. And then, I actually have those. Okay, I don't have the first one, but then I longed here, and I saw the price was stalling, so I closed it in break even. And then what I saw was a very nice thing, alright? I saw H12 SFP forming. On H1 it was already formed here. H4 as well formed, alright? Then I went on lower time frame, 30 minute. I saw that this was the high that led to the low of SFP, failed auction there. Bears failed to take the low. I saw MSB here, And I'm not. One trader says it really beautifully. Really beautiful. Don't be cute with your stop losses. All right, you want to be trading this, not. You don't want to be like surgical. Fuck, man. The idea is not to be cute with your stop losses. All right. If I placed my stop loss here to have higher R, yeah, I want that, but the risk of getting stopped out is higher. So I longed here. Stop below the invalidation. I'll show you why I longed there. And look at that. What a fucking nice move, yeah? 6 fucking percent overnight. I wake up. We are back at entry. I would not have taken profit here yet, because I think that if this was the low, and I'm confident that this was the low, we're off to races, at least 2 range highs here, alright? I don't know if we can reach here, but all in all, I think the sell-off is coming to an end here. And let me show you. Let me show you this. So this is Teo on Binance. Let me double check that all. You motherfucker. Why do I have to do this every single fucking day, over and over again, man? Fucking hell. Okay. Okay. So, this was the primary idea as well. See the flow? How bears were aggressive here? You see this? What the fuck? Okay. I need to turn off my phone. My boss is texting me, but I'm busy right now. And we just swept the low here. MSB. Okay, no, that's not an MSB. Here is the MSB. Boom. This is even a fucking compound trade. If it comes down here. But mainly I saw that we were making bulls were absorbing the sell-off here, alright? So that led me thinking that with higher time frame context that we have H12 SFP, H12 SFP again, H4 SFP, I want to be long. So seems like we've reclaimed the weekly value area low. We still have a chance to come down here and test it. Oops. Test it, yeah, for sure, but does seem like that we reclaimed the weekly value. Alright. Okay, wait. This is monthly. Rejected from monthly value area low, rejected here as well. There is a good chance that if this was in Elliott wave terms ABC, we can come down and test previous month value area low, alright? It's still untested. Fake out there, then move. But I think the signal for me was enough to take the long. Quarterly, we reclaimed previous quarter VWAP, which is a good sign. The quarterly value area low is capping the upside for now. If we manage to reclaim this, first target is 280, second target is 300, alright? And yearly, man, look, it's no wonder that we are getting rejected here at yearly VWAP. We need to reclaim this. So, I'll show you this. If the chances of this coming down and retesting the previous month value low decreases if we reclaim yearly VWAP. So bulls need to reclaim yearly VWAP for this to be invalidated, alright? If we fail this, and start coming down again, closing below the levels, for example, previous quarter VWAP, right? Here. On higher time frame, if we start losing this level, then the odds increase for deeper sell-off. And in that terms for Bitcoin, we might be coming down here. I want to check where is my stop. 73,600. Yeah, that's my stop here. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. Okay, so seems like Bitcoin is breaking down, which I'm grateful for because I wanted to ape here but didn't. and it seems like it was a good decision. Let's check the order flow on aggregated sources. Let's see. Let's. Bro, like, why the fuck it does not save it, bro? Like, why the fuck it won't save this? Just fucking. This is stupid, man. The fuck, man. So let's just check the flow here. Same story, right? Well, not really same story, but bears are definitely, sellers are definitely exhausted here. Some big some big open position nuke. There was a lot of volume traded. Let's go weekly chart. I remember someone aped here, yeah, 42 million into the highs, bro. That's insane. Alright, let me see. Let's go custom anchor candlestick back. Not 500. How many candlesticks are here? How do I fucking know? I'll just go with the daily. Alright. There's a lot of activity here. 80 million into the highs, bro. That's insane. I'm not really seeing anything significant right now. Once again, what I want to see, that was aggregated, alright, guys. What I want to see, do we have anything on TPO? Let's see. Binance, and I want here Binance as well. Binance as well. So let's see if we have any anomalies. Alright. Okay, we have untested point of control at the highs. Nothing to trade off of inside. We do have single prints lower, but if this trend is going up, right, I don't think we'll test those single prints just yet. Monthly still within the value. We do have a poor high on monthly at 79. How does it resonate here? 79. Yeah, I've marked out those single prints here as well. Okay, I have it. Bitcoin, if you move up here, you'll be such a bitch. And let's see weekly. Some single prints here. Untested naked value area high, poor high. Bro, I think that we might be trading into here based on how it looks like. We have poor weekly poor high, single print weekly, confluent with monthly poor high. So I think we have a decent chance. And massive single print here as well. I think we have a chance to trade towards there, guys, on BTC. So how I'm gonna be managing my long trade that I have right now. So if, once again, yeah, fuck you Bitcoin. If I see, no, not I see, if price moves here, I'll TP maybe 50, 30, okay, I'll TP 50%. And from here, man, I don't really have any significant major resistance up until the single prints here. All right, so my idea would be take profit 1. If we fake out previous quarter view up, come down, I'll take a short in anticipation of a trend break and we go lower. But if somehow we then reclaim it, I'll carry my long. I don't have to open new position here. Basically, let's summarize. I have a zone here to watch. Fake out above, come down, short. Fail break below, reclaim, that's a long into the single prints up there. Alright, and if this long plays out, I have a position from here. And if short plays out, well, short, I don't have the position yet, so we'll have to wait for it. That's it for the Bitcoin. And okay, yeah, let's mark it out here. And once again, the area of interest right here. That's it. Thank you very much. See you on the next one, 17th of April.